Welcome to Mark in a Minute, where you get the important stuff in just 60 seconds. Each of these 60-second videos summarizes a subject in reference to the Tampa Bay area and its incredible realty market. So let's get started. It's a beautiful January day in Parrish, and we're in the Seaire community visiting DRB homes.
Seaire is the most exciting new community in Parrish, Florida. It's just 2 stoplights from I-75, and it's going to have a 4-acre lagoon at the entrance, which will have paddle boarding and kayaks and a swim-up bar and obstacle courses, and 10 acres of retail, grocery stores, and cafes and everything in between. We sell DRB homes. DRB is a exclusive quality builder. We have innovative floor plans and very contemporary design, and we're known for building a really solid home. All of our home sites are private, most of them back to water or conservation.
Thank you for watching Mark in a Minute. Be sure to like or dislike and subscribe below. Apparently, it is very important. And as always, be sure to ask me the questions that are most important to you. Have a great day.